Charlie Willis, naked and afraid in Zion Canyon.
It's called a life
Going
straw.
to drink from a life straw.
That's right, there's a spring.
There's a spring here.
Coming out of the rock.
Coming out of the rock. See that?
Jealous, guys.
Okay. He's tempting fate and diarrhea.
No, you see that? Life straw.
Life straw.
Yes.
Show us how it works. Tasty. How is it? Spit it out?
No. I just want to get what was in my mouth out.
Drinking from the life straw. How's it taste, Charlie?
It's good.
It's good.
It's cold.
It's good. It's cold. We'll check in with you tomorrow and see how your bowels are doing. Tastes good.
Tastes excellent.
You've seen it here first. Drinking from the spring in the Narrows.